how to find trending videos on TikTok. So if you want to find trending videos on TikTok, like the way that you do on, let's say, your YouTube or anything like that, how do you find it? Normally when you're on the search page, this is the type of interface that you will see. TikTok will already show you the list of videos that they think is reliable for you or relatable to you at least. Now what you have to do is, if you want to find trending videos, you can also try to tap on the search bar option right here, and once then here you can see a couple of viral topics that people are able to find it. Otherwise you will be able to find those topics here and search for them accordingly. So these are many things that people around you are actually searching. Now other things that you want to find here is you can go to explore. When you go to explore, you'll find at least some of the trending ones that you should be able to find them over here, right? Otherwise from there you should be able to go ahead and then basically find all those options, and this way you will be able to find trending videos on TikTok. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.